Yo, welcome back. My name's Infect1911 here, and I'm going ahead to try to prove my points on debunking this, saying that this would not end up being the Phantom Truck location. So, well, first what I find sketchy is there's a lone Phantom Truck, so that could lead it. But yeah, here what could be another one, and a couple others like just through here. This is a farm. Even though my other one was way bigger that I did previously find. So on. We'll go right here. Where's Jeffrey? Jeffrey, I'm going to go ahead and sit you right here. My place. Oh. Oh, dude, No, what if I click this? Um, okay. I just want to add this as like a location. Go on. Wait. I'll just go ahead and rewatch this video if I need to. I'm going to try looking for my other location. What could have been a possible truck spot. My other one that I got like over 1,000 views on was dipping way down one of these dirt roads, I think. And it had a huge ass farm and a whole bunch of trucks. I think, yo, oh, I thought I found it for like a second. I'm like, bro, how does this work? Who in the right mind would fucking build their house on an island? Are those campers? How in the world? Like, bro, like, okay, let's get back to the Clinton Road topic. Okay. Now, that's probably where they get, like, their fuel from or something. Mumbo jumbo. Trying to look for this and come up with stuff as long as I go. Because I'm trying to stall. So that way I can at least find it. Yo, I think this is it. A white. Yo, could this also be the possible location for the Phantom trucks? Here's a lot of trucks. Although this is not actually on Clinton Road. And then here's the New Jersey border. So let's just go try backtracking. Okay, let's just go over here. Yeah, I saw something over here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the albino farm someday on Google Earth. Oh man. Okay, I think the bleeding stopped. Yo, that's legit. They took out my original Clinton Road place, and so now this is the only one that seems to actually work. Although there seems to be like one Phantom truck there at this apparent time. So it could have like broken down. And it says specifically, wait, hold on. Wait, just make this shit visual. There needs to be a sign. Oh, wait. Well, wait. Is there any way? 2017 Google. Yo. Oh, wait, no. Oh, come on, Google, for fuck's sakes. Oh, man. I'm gonna exit this out. Leave. Sorry. I want to get these videos out of the way. But yeah, this is legit what I think could be the Clinton Road place area space. What concerns me is this apparent roadblock. But yeah, yo, hold on. Wait. Yo, this should be it. I've been dipping around like, yo, like, I'd be like thinking, wait. Oh, wait. No, I can easily tell that this bottom sign right here says no trespassing. I don't know what these two upper signs say. Let's like go 2D. Yo, so this is what north looks like. Yo, bruh. Oh crap, I don't want you guys. I'm like, oh crap. You guys like, oh sweet, let's see where infected 1911 lives. Like, hey. I'm like, oh shit, that'd be horrible. Dude. Illuminati confirmed. Flying arrows. Like, bro, like, dude. Oh, I get it. This is the car. Dude, I have my arm like right now on my GoPro. I mean, not GoPro, but GoPro sticker on my PS3. Like, even though I'm not even sponsored by them, I just have a sticker that says GoPro be a hero. Even though I ain't no hero. Yeah, this could be it. This could be part 2. Oh yeah, ignore that Vanoss deal. It's just paintball video because I'm going to be making some Black Ops 2 paintball videos tonight, so, and then uploading them on Monday. Yo, I just went ahead and said fuck it and uploaded like almost 40 videos today. So, yeah. I really don't know what else to say, but yeah. This has to be the Clinton Road Phantom Truck location. Like, there's one truck there. And then here's a farm. What gets me is this farm. Yo, how long am I even? Almost done. I just want to see how far long I need to record. But talk to you guys. This has to be it, though. Look, it's a farm. It makes perfect sense because you could totally see this, see the lights of the building. The Phantom trucks, instead of going this way, they take the side road, goes up, bury the bodies here. Like, well, here on the camera. I'm trying to point at this farm thing. Like, I don't know how you do it. Yo,